T-Man 978 Chill Review. Hello everyone, Marvel Legends Blizzard. Marvel Legends Blizzard's face looks like this. His head or hair, wherever that is, looks like that. His upper torso looks like this. The back of him looks like that. His legs looks like this. He still has that Bucky Cap mold thing where when you move one leg, the other leg moves. So, yeah, he feels awful cheap. He got a whole box to himself. Doesn't have to share it with anyone. And his bio on the back says this: Marvel Legends Blizzard is cheap, boring, and I don't care about him. He's only good for this guy's upper torso. What? Review's over. Thank you for watching. T-Man 978 out of here.